Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about my experience when visiting the beautiful city of Houston. When reaching Houston, we could instantly see the diversity throughout the city. As a matter of fact, in 2012, Houston surpassed Los Angeles and New York as the most ethnically diverse metropolitan area in the nation. Obviously, things have changed and Houston has trailed behind, but they are still one of the most ethnically diverse cities in the nation. As we were walking around the city, admiring its wonders, we had come across many people that were bilingual, and some were even trilingual. To my surprise, Houston holds the third position in the number of languages spoken in the U.S. With more than 145 different languages spoken there, this makes it unique from other cities across the nation. Surprisingly enough, according to the 2018 census, out of the 2,340,890 people living in the city of Houston, about 37% are Hispanic or Latino, 35% are white, and 17% are Black or African American. This actually makes Houston one of the most culturally diverse cities in the nation and reveals something unique about the U.S. as a whole. The United States, being one of the more culturally diverse nations in the world, does not have an official language. However, we still manage to work together toward a common goal and work in union. This is quite honestly a rare occurrence, and I say this because not a lot of countries can do what the U.S. is currently doing, which makes it unique from a lot of different countries. Now, economically, Houston's main industry is energy, specifically oil. However, healthcare, biomedical research, and aerospace also account for Houston's economy. On the topic of aerospace, we both knew that if we were going to Houston, we had to visit NASA. With Houston being the world capital of space exploration, it just seemed like a necessity. So we hit the gas and were off to visit NASA. Opening business on October 1st, 1958, NASA has grown into something in which anyone, no matter race or culture, has come to appreciate what they've accomplished. NASA is significant due to its responsibility of scientific and technological advancements and accomplishments that have had a widespread impact on not only the United States, but the whole world. Looking back on this road trip, I can recall some similarities and differences that I found out along the way. Houston, compared to Miami, actually has a similar climate and a similar crime rate. The difference, though, with the crime rate is that Houston has 5 times the amount of people Miami does, which is one of the main differences I noticed. On the other hand, Houston and Boston have very different climates and crime rates, and they both have similar health care costs. Thank you for watching.